Hey everyone, for this video, what you guys going to do is figure out how to create an account in Gizmos, join a class, and see how this Gizmo in particular works. All right, so once you're done watching this video, you are going to go ahead and click on this click here to create your account. Don't forget to make sure you get your join code. All right, it's going to be different for whatever block you're in. All right, just like Google Classroom. Okay, so once you're here, let me see if I can get my spotlight going on again. All right, you're going to go up to the top right corner where it says login and enroll, and go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to enter your class code here. All right, this class code that I'm putting in is only for one particular class, so just make sure you do get the correct code from your teacher. Okay, and then hit enroll in class. All right, so with this, you're going to say, I need to create an Explore Learning account, register now, okay? And you guys will end up doing that, okay? I'm going to pause this. You can make sure you guys fill out all this information correctly. Your username and password, what I would say is use the same username and password that you use to sign into your Chromebook, okay? That way it'll be easy to remember when you guys are going back into Gizmos the next time you use it, okay? Okay, so I just want, oh, let me get my spotlight going again. I just want to remind you guys, it says that emails are not required for students. Feel free to not put it in. It is safe if you want to, but feel free, you don't have to. Okay, and then, like I said, do that. Just hit submit. All right, um, and this is the gizmo that you guys are going to be using today, called Weight and Mass. All right, if you just go ahead and click on the launch right here. My spotlight keeps disappearing. Okay, and what this is it's pretty cool. You have a bunch of options here. You have a scale, and then you have a spring scale. Okay, and you have mass down here. All right, out of grams. All right, and then you have other objects right here. All right, and so the idea is that you can you can literally, sorry, excuse me, you can literally click and drag these. All right, to find objects that have a similar mass. All right, you can see the watermelon's very, very, very heavy as far as weight is concerned. All right, while the dog is definitely lighter. All right, and so the idea is that you can click and drag these to find out what type of mass we have in relation to different objects that we have here on Earth. Okay, you can also find out the weight of things in newtons using the spring scale. But the cool part about this is a lot of this changes. So if we leave all these things on here and we change this from Earth to, say, the moon, all right, you can say that spring scale decreases. So the amount of weight that this watermelon has on Earth is more than the weight that you would have on the moon. Okay, they also have different options for Mars and Jupiter. Okay, so, and just to give you guys an idea, all right, and obviously I'm going to have you guys working on some activities related to this, but this is just a quick rundown on how to use this gizmo. But of course, if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to ask. We're definitely here for you. All right. I hope you guys enjoy using this gizmo. It's definitely a fun little activity.